In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a locked Facebook Marketplace account. If your Marketplace access has been locked, the most important thing to do is submit an appeal or request a review as quickly as possible. In many cases, the option to appeal is not shown clearly in the usual Marketplace menus, so this process focuses on the places where people are most likely to find it. Start by deleting the Facebook app from your phone and then reinstalling it. This can help clear out temporary app data or glitches that may be preventing the correct review options from appearing. Once the app is reinstalled, open Facebook, tap the menu icon, and go to the group section. From there, enter any public buy and sell group. When the group opens, look near the top of the feed for a button or prompt that says Request Review. If you see it, tap it, complete the form, and submit your case to Facebook support. Be clear and concise when you explain the issue, and then give Facebook some time to respond. If that method does not work, the next option is to submit a report a problem ticket directly through the app. Open Facebook and either shake your phone to trigger the reporting feature, or go through the menu to Help and Support, then Report a Problem. Choose Continue to Report, then select Don't Include in Report. After that, choose Marketplace from the list of features. In the description box, explain the situation clearly and professionally. You can say that your Marketplace access was locked and that you would like your account reviewed. Keep your message simple, polite, and focused on the issue, so it is easier for support to understand what happened. You should also check your support inbox, because Facebook sometimes sends warnings listing alerts or appeal options there. To do that, go to Settings and Privacy, then Help and Support, and open Support Inbox. Look for any active notifications related to Marketplace. If you find one, follow the on-screen steps to submit an appeal or respond to the issue. Finally, if the mobile app is not showing any unlock or appeal option, try using the desktop website instead. Log into Facebook Marketplace from a computer or open it in a mobile web browser rather than the app. Sometimes the website displays an unlock prompt or review screen that does not appear on mobile. By working through these options carefully, you give yourself the best chance of getting your Facebook Marketplace access reviewed and restored.